1 Spot, man. Hey, man, we still in the building, man, with a legend, man. You know what I'm talking about? We got that boy Stevie Wonder in the building right now. You feel me?
Jhiame Wonder.
Jhiame Wonder in the building right now, man.
The infosorial, majestic Jhiame Dog One.
Hello. Man, get it right, man. You gotta say it all together, man. It's like a Tribe Called Quest, man. It's one word. You gotta say it all together. Straight like that, man. Hey, man, as you can see, man, and we having super fun right now, man, with the legendary Jhiame Sinatra, man, a.k.a. your mama side piece, man. You feel me? Hey, man.
The next one gonna be, I'm your little daddy.
Hey, man, that's coming real soon, man. Hey, sooner than y'all think, man.
Yeah,
Hey, man, hey, real quick, man, I just want to get into, man, kind of some serious topics, man. Basically, man, some stuff that's been surfacing, man, going around, man, in the city, man. So, I just want to get your take on it, man. Basically, the first thing is...
Let me take another shot of Jack, because I see...
Okay, you can see...
You put a nigga in the hot seat, I can tell there's some shit about to go down.
Hey, man, well, that's how it is, man. Hey, our people, hey, that do keep up with the number one spot, man, want to know the real, you feel me? Man, now, hey, this is the thing that been surfacing so far on social media right now, man.
Yeah.
I guess allegations or accusations have been said, man, that basically Bun B is stating that we should move on from the SUC culture, you know, and I guess embrace a new culture of Houston.
He was saying it like, I know what he was saying. He was saying like now, you know, it's a new thing going on, and we need to, you know, actually adopt more into that instead of, you know, the SUC. And I was like, you know, with the Screwed Up Click, he said Screw did that, whatever. And I understand my little bro. That's my little bro. That's love.
Yeah, right.
But I feel like I was taking him back because I was saying to myself, like, even if you think like that, don't say it, because we already got enough problem with the young G's who are good artists, but they don't have no foundational purpose because they don't know their history. You know, you can't go like you go to New York. You go to New York, you talk to Fabulous, you say, oh, you know, man, Cool Herc, man, what they was about. Oh man, Cool Herc,
right.
They gonna tell you everything.
Quick, yeah.
These niggas, hey man, Fat Pat was a Fat who? What? Fat Pat.
Oh, come on now.
Oh yeah, the one with top dropping Don't Mess with Texas.
Yeah, like they done forgot already.
I'm from H-Town. No, you're not.
Yeah, straight like that.
I'm from Memphis and know more about this history.
Come on now.
Come on, bro.
Come on, and that's how it is though. Like I say, man, if you gonna be in the industry, man, you got to do your research, man. Especially on your city folks.
Like me,
you know
as a soul artist.
Yeah.
I got my own lane. I created gutter soul music for people when you get G's that's getting old. Put it that way.
Yeah.
Now when you talk to me, you come at me, say, okay, you from Memphis, like an OG musician on Beale Street to do me like this.
Mm-hmm.
You what? Boy, you from Memphis? Where the hell Stax Records? Stax Records had this. Otis Redding, you know, a staple singer. Rufus Thomas was the biggest
Johnny Taylor,
star. Johnny Taylor, a DJ by the name of Rufus Thomas, used to work for WDIA.
Come on now.
Funky Chicken, one of the biggest stars on the label. Rance Allen was on that label.
Yeah.
You know, man, I'm talking about, I can tell you the
story. Let's go
Mitchell,
on.
Mitchell was the drummer for Al Green, who left that label to do Al Green label with high quality.
Come on now.
So we can talk about everything.
Yeah, go through the whole history.
All the way to 3 6 Mafia, all the way to 8Ball MJG.
Right.
He came to Memphis 4 or 5 years later and I met them the day they was making Coming Out Hard.
Come on now, man. Come on, man. 8Ball MJG, man. That was one of my favorite albums.
Sound Studios in Anderson Road. Tony Draper told me I had a group, man. He said, man, you know, I went back home and I got us a group. I said, what? He said, yeah, and you and I records on Beast Nut. So I got the history. I can tell you the history. Yeah. I don't just sit here and talk. In there with it. I love her. Peace out to her mama. She wanted her to work with me before she died. But when she got the CD by the old boy gave her the CD, these people from Houston, you know them. She got cliche sitting right up there.
Come on now.
She ain't say cliche.
How that's the cliche, man?
You know, people you know.
Right.
These people ain't. Chase on my this cliche on them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The hottest female
Come on now.
ever
Legend in the game. Come on
now.
now.
So when you talk about history and you don't know the history,
come on,
but
man.
you can yap your mouth about what we ain't doing.
Doing this and this and this and this. Man,
we don't know. Shrimp Thug been trying to put niggas on. They don't want to put themselves on.
They sleep, man. That's the whole thing, though. That's the whole thing, though.
You can't knock up the OGs for nothing they try to do, man. Try to get lifers. We sold records without a big rock. None of you niggas is independent. Stop lying.
Yeah.
We sold records without.
Come on, man. They got it easy today.
Really easy.
Man, with the social media and the digital, the streaming.
I'm going to say being a slave is never easy.
I mean, but it's still.
You know, they killed us. They took 12 years to do it, and they stopped our underground success. Underground made so much money, we didn't need no money.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But I'm just saying, it ain't no work. It ain't no work ethic. I call them hobby rappers.
Yeah, they hobby rappers.
These days, man. You know what I'm saying?
They believe because I got the equipment, I got the same
finesse
and the same history to do the great things that a person like DJ Gold from SUC, who's been an engineer, 20-something years plus.
Right.
This man, you know, you can't have his ear. You have not his tenacity.
That's it.
Nigga, if it ain't no money, then you stop. Well, we didn't stop till the casket dropped.
Yeah, already when the going got hard. When the going got tough, man, the tough got going.
This man was with me right in Rainy Meadows when we was eating beans and goddamn wings and goddamn
come on, man.
and damn chicken. Thank God they cooked that day because I was starving and didn't have no food in the house. After making hits, you know what I'm saying?
Like that,
but
man.
I know for a fact I could keep on and come back and rebuild myself and reinvent myself.
Absolutely.
And give you something that I really want to give you, which is this from Memphis to Houston. This last shall be first. The 8 show real telling and chronologically giving you word for word the people I work with. When you hear me sing that song, I work with these people.
Yeah, right.
No bullshit.
And you ain't send the email and then, you know what I'm saying, did you first send the email and then send it back now. This in the studio with these people.
Fucking with they dealing with their emotions. They wife fucking over and they pissed off. They don't even want to come to the studio.
Come on now.
To the studio. Little Flip, man.
Behind the
I
scenes.
gotta ride, still keep them on the freeway with me, driving them like crazy to do boxers. Dealing with the situation where we got this $1 million deal. The young man get off the plane. Him and the CEO got syrup in their hand. We about to blow up forever. But they go to the office and fall asleep. They take the deal right from them.
Come on, man.
You know, ain't nobody went through this shit. Right, doing an album, about to sign one of the greatest SUC soldiers, 5-star general. Talked to him that night, said, man, I'm gonna do a hammer because you right, you put shit together right. I said, thank you, little big bro. He always telling me wisdom. I had to sit him down. No, listen, bro, I'm OG, listen to me. Got him to do it. He said, 2 days later, only to wake up to find out, only to be up and find out ring. Man, guess what? He just got murdered in front of our house.
Come on now.
Where, who?
Come on now.
Hawk.
Come on now.
After doing roll up a blunt, after doing hits with this man, Jam and Screw, after doing hits with this man,
come on, man.
Songs that I knew was gonna take us forever. Songs that I knew was gonna come back with us when Wale and J. Cole did the joint. They just took that from roll up a blunt style, my beat.
Man.
Not whatever you want. That's my
man.
beat style.
Hey,
so they took that, bro. So we got picking that. That's a flattery. But I'm just telling you, that's how much we know we still valuable.
Come on, man. Number one spot exclusive,
like
man.
Travis Porter can take one little part of goddamn Hawk. It ain't even matching the song. Put it in there and it makes it $1 million song.
Come on, man.
Multi-millions was made off that record.
Come on,
we
now.
still valuable. Stop saying
That's
live, nigga. Houston, this the first crew of niggas that really spit Houston culture. For real. Everybody else we tried to do some New York. I was there, I did too. Tried to do some New York shit. We were learning as we go.
Yeah.
But, you didn't hear Brad say, I'm straight off of Belford and Scott at first.
Right.
He wasn't saying that.
Right.
I used to ask people.
Where you from? It was
People
where
said,
you
man,
was at that
I said,
time.
man, y'all ain't got no hit raps. I said, we got Scarface.
Yeah.
Scarface ain't from Houston. He from New York. I said, I know he wear the New York hat all the time.
Yeah.
He wasn't rapping that time.
Right.
I used to tell him about that shit.
Yeah.
So, Screw in his house, come up with a whole nother concept, a whole nother metaphor. I'm over there hating it because I'm like, I'm already on it. I ain't used to know.
How it sound like the batteries done ran down?
I didn't partake in the the amp water. I took it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can dig it.
I didn't do that, so it was tripping me.
Yeah.
But as I grew into it and heard and listened, and then they started doing fat patting people like that with some regulars, I said, oh, them niggas really been down. So it made me interested. I said, this culture's about to blow up.
Yeah.
So I gotta be a part of that.
Yeah.
I had to.
So just break that down. Like what part did you actually play at like the SUC?
What I did, at first, Screw had to remind me that he met me first when he brought Al to the house over at Tiffany Place. Can you remember? Came to the house.
Oh, Al D?
Yeah, Al
Okay.
D. And that's when they first working on his first album. And I was excited about working with the kid. I said, man, I've been hearing your name, but I didn't know, it wasn't no. We was like, we used Gerald Scott.
Right.
We did. And
right. So that
squad, you can know by Screw.
Yeah.
They was screwing shit with a dude he had used to screw it down with a little screw or whatever.
Right. And Darryl Scott was one of the first.
We was listening to Knowledge, me, homie.
Man, we know about that, man.
We were used to needle to the groove being slow down. It's just a beat.
Right.
We weren't used to niggas coming down road.
Yeah, with the freestyle. Yeah, spitting freestyle over it. That's what made the difference.
We weren't used to that.
That's what made the difference.
But when we got into it, I said, man, this is the genre I'm finna fuck with. Heard Solo, one of the greats. He brought that
appreciate you, man. Appreciate. Oh, you talking about
the real Solo. First is D Solo, then the other real Solo.
My name is Solo.
Solo,
on my birth certificate, but we'll go to something else. We'll go to that another day.
Boy, it's a bunch of y'all solos.
I know, right?
Yeah.
K Solo. Anyway,
when I seen what Solo did, he was the architect of bringing Screw's music to the style, to the masses.
Right. Yeah, creating the molding the culture.
Like, that's it. That's what we gotta do.
Right.
That's how you get on that block.
Right.
He showed me how to get on the block. So I salute Solo for showing me how to get on the block.
Man, that's what it is, man. Shout out to that boy, Solo Jameson, man.
We know what happened, and because we used to that kind of shit. Solo, keep going. And he went going. He kept on going with Waterworld. Shout out to him to keep that Waterworld flowing. That's what it is, the culture. We love the culture. Shout out to all my producers, man, for real.
Man, that's what it is, man. Shout out to all the producers out there, man. That's actually, man, making it happen, man. Without the beat, man, everything will be acapella, man. You know what I'm talking about, man. So that's what it is. Hey, real quick, man. Shout out to my boy Pirate Fame Visuals, man, for interjecting, man.
Thank you. That was a beautiful
on that subject, man. That was a hell of a debate.
I got my nigga King in here, man. King is in the building.
Man, shout out to that boy King, man, in the building.
King Edwards, the nigga, not the singer, is in the building.
Straight up like that, man.
OG DJ Gold. He's in the building. When I talk about, man, this boy, he'll know. Ice Cube know this nigga. I swear to God.
Man, come on,
Pointed
man.
to this nigga years ago. T-Ball, what you doing there? I
Got
said, what the
legend.
hell is that? He told me. That's his name.
You got legends in the game, in the
Also,
building right now.
my little brother, man, this is my head of security right here, man. You can see he a Buffalo soldier. He also a Mason, major heavyweight little youngster, man. You know what I'm saying? Got to start David Crossing and everything on his heart. True to the game, real for real, for real, for
Straight like
real.
that.
All that talk about y'all, that boys, yeah. Better get
Man,
right,
that's what
man.
it is, man. Hey, man, before we get up out of here, man, real quick, man.
Yeah,
hey,
Lil
man,
J.
what is your why, man? Why do
What
you
up,
do what
baby?
you do, man?
My
How
why?
many-
Oh, man. My why is that I have to breathe.
Huh?
Without music, I wouldn't be breathing.
Huh?
So I have to breathe. And I have to breathe daily.
Straight
And
like
I have
that.
to breathe constantly. Over and over again. Nothing take the spot of music who sheltered me when I was cold and covered me, and when I was feeling unsafe, it nurtured me when my mom wasn't around. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
It protected me when my dad was running the streets and wasn't around. You feel me? It kept me going when when my ex-wife left me. I still had something to rely on. That's a beautiful, beautiful
deep.
woman in that music.
That's
you know
deep.
what I'm saying? And she jealous. So if you keep putting your woman before music, it ain't gonna pay you. You feel me? So I had to keep doing what I'm doing, and I just love music. You know, man, if I could marry music and get some sex from it, I wouldn't need nothing else.
Straight like that, man. Hey, that's how I feel as well, man. Hey, I appreciate you, man, taking out your time, man, to sit down with the #1 spot, making the #1 spot even hotter, man.
Want to send a shout out to everybody, man, that pays attention to what you doing. Want to salute you, Q, for being a man you are. You know, just loving
I appreciate
everything what's
that too,
going
man.
on. This is a
That's
beautiful
love.
spot, beautiful studio. Hazel's, is it
Hazen House
Hazen House Studios. You know, forgive me, I'm old. You know, forgive me, I'm old. I did a lot of drugs back in the days.
Yeah,
But we
man,
better now.
no,
We're
man.
much better
Yeah,
now.
absolutely, man.
But God has been good to me. I'm 30 years clean off crack cocaine. Been
Man,
there, done that, got
congratulations on
t-shirt.
that. Congratulations.
I'm 35, 30, also 30 year clean of staying out in them streets and moving that shit and doing all type of stuff that I
Man.
wasn't supposed to. Want
on
to give a
now.
shout out to
Congratulations.
everybody that ever did anything good toward me, and want to say forgive me if I ever done any wrong toward you in any way, in any place. Also look for my new album called From Memphis to Houston, The Chronicles of Little
cop
June
that,
Banks,
talking
cop
about
that.
me from Shentown to Mount Bayou, Mississippi, from Memphis to Houston, out of Fowler Home, Memphis, Blair Hunting, Kansas, you know what I'm saying, South Memphis, Riverview, what up, Carver High, what up, everybody, Carver alumni, what up, Riverview Junior High alumni, what up, to all the people in HTown, to all my fam, my cousins, and everything in Memphis, to all my people in HTown who've been a part of my life, been in the structure. Shout out to King Edwards, to my boy Gold, to my head of security, Lil J. Shout out to all the people, DQ for showing me love, putting it down with me. The Stoop people, the Stoop boys, all my family, the females, everything out there in Rainy Mellow, Southwest, holding it down. TP players forever. You know what I'm saying? 4-4 for Lil, Mario, J-Down, what up, baby?
Hey.
You know, just love for everybody. Screwed Up Click. Rest in peace, everybody. Rest in peace, Curtis. Rest in peace, Curtis Davis. Rest in peace, Screw. Rest in peace, Mello. Rest in peace, 3-2. Rest in peace, Steve Mafio. Rest in peace to all my people. Big House, Pat, everybody, Bill, everybody, all my fallen soldiers, man.
Wicked
Don't forget
cricket.
about me. SUC Jhiame Sinatra. That's SUC Jhiame Sinatra. You know what it is. Instagram, Jaime Bradshaw, Facebook. Also you can go on Spotify and everything. Remember, I'm A-So Real. It's playing in the back. Go check that out. But be sure to check out my new album called From Memphis to Houston. New single, Leg Shaking Love. And also, You My Favorite Bitch. Also, my new video with a hot ass record called It's Go Down for Real, my anthem for HTown. I'ma always give HTown all the love. They made me. I'm a made man now. I'm a legend because of HTown. When I touch HTown streets after coming off the road, I kiss it every time. I love HTown. Y'all continue to support your big homie. Don't leave me lonely. Let's keep doing this thing, cause I'm not a phony. I'm for real about getting this baloney. You feel me?
Already, man.
We gonna stay straight. Peace.
Hey, if you ain't at the number one spot, you're number two, and nobody remembers number two. Remember that, baby. And like my boy Buck say, till next time, keep that number one spot in your mind. And we out of here, man. DJ DQ, man, send us out of here, man.
I'm your little dad.
What's poppin', crackin', shaking, baby? It's your boy Q.U.E from the award-winning number one spot, man. If y'all liking what y'all checking out right now, just like, subscribe, and click that bell so y'all will be notified as new videos arrive. And also, if y'all want to check out exclusive episodes of the Number One Spot, just go to our Vimeo channel at the Number One Spot Network. Just click the link in the description below. Cause if you ain't at the number one spot, you're number two. And nobody remembers number two. Remember that, baby. And like my boy Buck say, till next time, keep that number one spot in your mind. And we out of here. Yeah. Thanks for watching.